Meaning of hard copy.
Hard copy.
Hard copy.
Hard copy.
Hard copy. A hard copy refers to a physical printout of a document or file, as opposed to an electronic copy that exists only in digital form. Hard copies are tangible and can be touched and held, making them useful for situations where electronic access is unavailable or impractical. They can also serve as important backups in case of data loss or corruption. Often, hard copies are produced by printing the digital file onto paper, though other materials such as film or vinyl can also be used. Overall, a hard copy provides a permanent and reliable record of information.